Acetic acid. Let us try to learn something about acetic acid. Acetic acid. Molecular formula of acetic acid is this: CH3 COOH. Its structure formula is this: COOH. Here 3 hydrogen atoms. Structure formula of acetic acid, which is also known as ethanoic acid. This is liquid under normal condition, liquid, and its boiling point is around 180 degree Celsius. Number 1, vinegar. 6 to 10% acetic acid in water is known as vinegar. Suppose 10 milliliter acetic acid and 90 milliliter water. Then this is 100 milliliter vinegar. Here in vinegar, acetic acid ionizes and produces proton. This proton of vinegar attacks harmful bacteria and virus, germs, and proton kills them. Dead germs. As vinegar is used to kill germs, because of this, vinegar is used as preservative. Vinegar, 6 to 10% acetic acid solution in water, which is used as preservative. Number 2, glacial acetic acid. Glacial, it means icy or ice-like. 100% pure acetic acid is known as glacial acetic acid because at 17 degrees Celsius temperature, acetic acid freezes to icy acetic acid. So, at 17 degrees Celsius temperature, 100% pure acetic acid changes to icy acetic acid, which is ice-like. So, 100% pure acetic acid is known as glacial acetic acid. Thanks for watching.